In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change header color on Shopify. Changing your header color is a simple way to match your branding and make your store feel more consistent. Shopify makes this easy through the theme editor, and the main thing you will be adjusting is the header's color scheme. A color scheme is a preset combination of colors that your theme uses for different areas, so switching schemes can quickly change the look without editing any code. To begin, sign into your Shopify admin. From your left-hand navigation, go to Online Store, then select Themes. This is where you will see your current theme setup, including which theme is active on your storefront. Next, locate your active theme. It is the one that is currently published. On that active theme, click Customize. This opens the theme editor, which lets you control how different sections of your site look and behave. Take a moment to let the editor load fully, since it may take a few seconds depending on your connection and the theme. Once you are inside the customizer, look to the left sidebar where your theme sections are listed. Find and click the header section. The header controls the top area of your website, where customers usually see your logo, navigation menu, and sometimes an announcement bar. After you click header, look over to the settings panel on the right side. Scroll carefully until you find the setting labeled Color Scheme. This is the key option that controls which preset palette the header uses. Now, select a different scheme from the dropdown or list, such as Scheme 2 or Scheme 3. As you change the scheme, watch the preview of your store update. This helps you confirm the new header color works well with your logo, menu links, and any icons in the header. If contrast looks weak, try another scheme so the text stays easy to read. When you are happy with the result, make sure you save your changes in the theme editor so the new header color appears on your live store. And that covers everything you need to know.